Hi everyone, today I will show you how to grow your Instagram account by using the Insights. By using Instagram Manager, you can see all the details about your followers, likes, comments and views. It is important because you will be able to control your social media marketing strategies. So, let's see in 3 ways how to control your social media marketing by using Instagram Insights. Number 1. Find the perfect time to post. On Instagram Analytics, you can see the most online time of your followers. You can see the day and also the time. You will find the perfect time to post. And by doing it in that way, your engagement rates will increase. Number 2. Find the best content. On Instagram Insights, you can find your best post, reel or story. By seeing all your content in one list, you can find your most engaged content, and that will show you which type of content is most valuable for your page. And finally, number 3, find the worst content. Finding the best is not enough. Also, you have to know which type of content is harmful for your account. Content with low engagement will be a lesson for you. By learning that, you can stop creating the similar content again and decrease your engagement rate. That's it. Now you know how to grow your Instagram account by looking at the Instagram Insights. Try to check them every day or at least every week. You will see the difference when you start acting like your insights. You can click down and visit our website for more social media and digital marketing tips. See you next time.